What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got some Evo content for you. I'm going to be installing the Varis LED third brake light on my Evo 10. As you can see, I have the factory clear lens. I'm going to be changing out for the smoked third brake light. I think it'll make a big difference in the car. It'll match my carbon fiber inserts as well as my OEM black tail lights. It's a super easy install, so let's get started. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with removing the liner, which I already have that done. I've done that a while ago because, you know, weight reduction, race car. So if you look underneath, all you're gonna do is release the connector, and then you got two 10mm bolts. So here's a side-by-side comparison. Obviously the smoked LED versus the clear lens. I feel like the smoked is going to look so much better than this crappy old clear. Well, there she is, the LED third brake light. Like I said, that was pretty easy install. Just those two 10mm bolts and a connector. I think that looks so much better. Goes good with the carbon fiber inserts. The only thing next is tail lights. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more Evo content, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.